Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can rename a file or we can delete a file. So currently I have a file in my location named as abc.txt, right? We want to rename it and later we will delete this. Let's get back to the code. For that we need to import OS module. So we are importing OS module here. Let's give file name as file to rename as abc.txt and renamed file name equals to, let's give it as renamed abc.txt, right? Now to rename we need to use rename method from OS module, so we will call it as os.rename. Then we need to provide the file to rename first and then renamed file name, right? So now I can show you that this is the abc.txt here. It will be renamed. Run this. Code is run. Now you can see the name has been changed to rename underscore abc.txt. Now let's delete this file. So how we can do that? So let's take a variable call as file to delete. Do it as the same name that we have here, renamed abc.txt, right? Now to delete this, os dot remove file to delete, right? So let's run this. First we will see if it is available. Yes, renamed ABC is available. Now we want to delete it. Let's delete it. So we have got the error. The system cannot find the file specified abc.txt because the script is running again. So it is not able to find abc.txt. So we need to comment this, Control S, and now run this. So code is run now. Now you can see there is no renamed abc.txt available. So this is how you can rename and delete a file. Thank you.